Hi there. So in this video we will discuss how to use dplyr package in R. So first thing, we will install this package and then use dataset called air quality to test some of its function. So go to tools, then click on install packages, and then type in dplyr. Okay, and then click on install and the installation process will begin. Now to call for dplyr, use library dplyr and it will load with specific set of warnings if it has any. Now we will call for library datasets, and from that dataset we will call for a data method that accesses air quality. Okay, now we will also check first few rows of this air quality data set, and here you see first 6 rows showing you what's in this data set. Okay, so first I want to use filter method that will filter the data depending on the condition that we throw at it. So type in filter, then use your dataset name, then use a specific column where you want to have that condition to appear. So I want to see temperature above 70 within this data set, and filter the data and it will show me that. So any value for temperature here will be above 70. Okay, the next thing I have to do is use filter method, then air quality, then use temperature above 75, and also one more question here to check for is month greater than 5, and here you see these two set of conditions fulfilled right here, temperature above 70 and month above 5. Okay, so these are 98 set of rows coming for that. Next we will check count function to count specific set of data rows within dataset. So use count method, then point your data, also check for specific column, and then it will process, and you see you have set of months here shown as rows. Okay, so first row, first column, first month, and onwards up to 30. So there are total 30 set of columns there for that. Okay, so that out of the way, we will also check sampling. So sampling is basically taking random rows from data set. So let's say if I want to use sample underscore n, this will check for our data set where I want to have total 10 set of rows randomly selected. Okay, just make sure that S is small, and here you have 10 set of rows randomly selected from your data set. You can also sample using sample fraction, where the data set chosen depending on point or percentage. Okay, so air quality, and then size equal to 0.1. Okay, sorry, there is a spelling issue. And here you have your sample size filter with percentage. Also there is group by, where data is grouped by one or more variables. So I'm going to use summarize method that will check for group underscore by method. Here I'm going to use air quality and month. You can choose anything else if you want. Then also go with mean method, check for temperature mean, then use na.rm equals to true, and this will show you that mean and grouped by set of rows. Okay, you can also use normal summarize method, which will take for air quality data set and check for mean of temperature, and then simply use na.rm equals to true, and it will show you the single value by summarizing it. Okay, so you can also use ozone instead of temperature for this data set. Okay, so as you can see, summarize method will show the single value for multiple set of data rows when we use mean method with it. Okay, so we checked summarize method, then group by, then sample underscore nn fractions, then count and filter. These are some of the common methods that you can use in dplyr package and use it for your data manipulation options.